Bullish Decentraland cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.34 and $2.92 by 2030. Market experts accept Mana could reach $1.34 by 2025. Bearish Decentraland market cost expectation for 2022 is 23 cents. Decentraland presentation. One of the most active digital currencies to shake the crypto world is Decentraland. Specifically, the digital money had the option to arrive at a record-breaking excessive cost of $5.90 at a certain point. Mana is one of the cryptographic forms of money that are expanding in esteem that certain individuals view as the most surprising. Mana has existed since the year 2019. Because of the critical interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in Mana saw 100% profit from their speculation. We analyze Mana's presentation in this Decentraland valuing examination and gauge. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland and its place right now in the digital currency market. What is Decentraland? A computer-generated simulation stage called Decentraland is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to create, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the main token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a style show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. The Mana ERC20 token should be singed to acquire non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, Mana tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. This year, Mana is supposed to make money on account of its market execution. We should happen to the investigation to see whether the valuing examples could give any more direction. Decentraland Principal Examination. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called Mana. You might adjust your look, investigate and make, and buy products and land in this virtual world. Moreover, there are different territories, squares, and craftsmanship historical centers to investigate for quite a long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot due to the connection point's usability. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based dApps, it is equivalent to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought roughly 22 million euros up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the Mana stage is used for things that might be redone, like wearables, veils, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland specialized investigation. What must be noted for this situation is that the money has lain lethargic since send-off, as per the latest news and speculation exhortation from crypto experts and investigators, without any indication of something going on under the surface for clients. Regardless of progressions and advances in blockchain innovation, this resource stayed unresponsive and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland digital money was around 2 cents at the hour of initiation. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents, yet it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help level. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see critical vacillations and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then, at that point, went through a few extra counterparts with the power of a tsunami. The Mana cryptographic money rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. Mana kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. Be that as it may, in the wake of coming to another high, the Mana continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the Mana coin saw a critical increment that raised the cost to more than $3.50. Following that, the money's exchanging was observably certain and arrived at another record high of $5.90. Nonetheless, the Mana cost saw a significant rectification in the wake of coming to another ATH, which made the Decentraland value drop to generally $2. Following that, Decentraland's value gets back to its past degree of generally $3. Decentraland current cost. Decentraland is at present worth 29 cents USD. Mana has moved 1.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,703,036. Decentraland is at present positioned 56 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $597,297,583 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Decentraland to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Decentraland Mana cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mana will before long outperform 74 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the MANA's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, MANA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 59 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 65 cents. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.04 and MANA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. MANA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 95 cents and a low of 89 cents in 2024. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Decentraland effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the MANA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MANA will be green in 2025. The MANA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.34, with a base cost of $1.19 and a typical cost of $1.25. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the MANA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.55 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.49 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, MANA has a most extreme value worth of $1.64. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.85. In the event that MANA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.94. Neglecting to accumulate the help MANA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.79. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. While MANA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.08 and a yearly cost close above $2.23 in 2028. Decentraland Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Decentraland will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.38 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.53, averaging out at $2.44. Decentraland Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme MANA cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.92 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.80. And MANA has a brilliant future coming up. We could observe MANA accomplish new levels because of the proceeding with